ELROY.
That's not my name.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is. You got a warrant for
Do you know?
You got a warrant for your arrest.
Do not touch me.
Put your hands behind
Do
your
not
back.
touch me. I'm telling you, do not touch me.
Tarih 23 Ekim 2024. Florida, Charlotte County. Saat 12:15 civarıydı. Polis merkezine gelen bir ihbar sıradan bir anlaşmazlık gibi görünüyordu. Bir ev sahibi kiracısının kendisini rahatsız ettiğini bildiriyordu. Ancak polis olay yerine vardığında işler sıradan bir anlaşmazlıktan daha fazlasına dönüşecekti.
Okay.
I thought I could help him, but I can't. He's unstable. He's disturbing the peace.
So what
And
happened
the
today?
peace must be maintained.
Right.
You feel the peace? You feel it?
What happened today, sir?
It needs to be maintained.
İhbarı yapan kişi 42 yaşındaki ELROY Clarke'tı. Polisler ilk olarak Clarke ile konuştu. Clarke, kiracısının huzuru bozduğunu söylüyordu. Ancak burada önemli bir detay vardı. Polisler henüz Clarke'ın kim olduğunu bilmiyordu.
Yes,
How long has he been staying here?
for a few months now.
Okay.
Is that him right
Yes, and he needs to be evaluated or looked at or whatever you got to do.
Okay.
there? Do you have any weapons on him?
He has no weapons on him. He has no weapons.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I am the weapon.
Okay. Do you have any guns on you?
I don't use
Alright.
guns.
İşler tam burada değişmeye başlıyordu. Polisin "silahın var mı?" sorusuna Clarke "silah benim" dediğinde polislerin tedirgin olacağını bilmeliydi. Polisler kiracıyı ve diğer tanıkları dinlemeye başladı. Tam bu sırada bir bilgi olayın gidişatını tamamen değiştirdi.
We're about to go take.
Polisler kiracıdan Clarke'ın gerçek kimliğini sakladığını ve hakkında aktif bir tutuklama kararı olduğunu öğrendi.
Kind of make your way this way, please. Hey, come here. Come here. ELROY.
That's not my name.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is. You got a warrant for your.
Do you know?
You got a warrant for your arrest.
Listen. Calm down.
No one's calming.
Don't listen to that man. Take off your glasses.
What is your name?
It's okay.
What's
Take-
your name?
Take off. I told you, it's Ben Day.
It's not Ben Day. I got your picture pulled up, man.
That is
You're
not me.
ELROY.
That is
Okay.
not me.
Okay,
How are
well-
you going to tell me who I am?
'Cause I got proof. I got your picture.
That's proof.
I have
That's
your ID.
bullshit.
I have your ID.
That's bullshit. You got bullshit in your hands. In your
Bro,
your car.
Calm down.
You're on my land. You're telling me to calm down?
You got a warrant for your arrest.
I've been here peacefully making things happen in my world, in my space. I'm allowed to do that. I haven't troubled anyone. There's been no crime.
Here's what's gonna happen.
There's no crime. It's a civil matter, and I said leave.
Here's
That's
what-
all that matters.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen, it's a civil matter.
402 Central, give me traffic.
I am calm, and it's not about to be. It's not about to be. I want to stay calm.
Clarke, teslim olmak yerine agresifleşmeye başladı. Sakinim ama artık öyle olmayacak dediğinde polisler olayın ciddi bir hal aldığını anlamıştı.
I want to stay calm.
If you fail to comply,
If you fail to comply to what I
You
just
will get
said, I
tased.
want to stay calm. If you fail to comply with what I just said, there's
put your hands behind your back.
listen. I don't
No,
take
we're not
orders
doing
from
it.
you. Listen,
You're
do
about-
not touch me.
You're about to get tased.
For what?
You have a warrant for your arrest.
I do not have a warrant.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day.
Okay.
Who's the warrant for?
For you.
For who?
For you.
Who's who? Who's you?
Listen,
Who's you?
put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day. Do you hear what I said?
Do you have an ID?
I am Ben Day. I'm
Do
on my
you have-
property. I'm not operating in commerce.
Do you have
Unutmamak gerekir ki Amerikan polisi canını tehlikede hissederse şarjöründeki tüm kurşunları zanlının üzerine boşaltır.
Tase me on my land.
I will. I will.
You will do that.
I
What's your
will
name?
100% do it.
Slender.
That's correct.
You will tase
Put your
a
hands
peaceful
behind your
man on his
Okay.
land.
Can we make this peaceful?
It is peaceful. Don't you feel the peace?
No, you're yelling right now.
Okay.
So
Okay. I forgot. I
if you're
forgot.
mistaken,
You're mistaken?
If you're mistaken,
If you're mistaken,
we can get this all cleared out. Right?
I am Ben Day.
Right.
That's
Let's-
what it.
okay,
That's what it is. That's what it is.
what's your
That's
date of
all.
birth?
You're looking for who?
What's your date of
Who
birth?
are you looking for?
What is your date of birth?
Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for?
But Jake, you're
Who
matching.
are you looking for?
Elroy.
Okay, you're matching.
You're not
Elroy
Elroy?
doesn't live here.
Okay, where does Elroy live?
I don't know. Go ask him.
Because Elroy's
Go
address.
ask him.
Elroy's address is here.
Go ask him. Go ask him.
Put your hands behind your
Go
back.
ask Elroy.
Put your hands behind your
Go
back.
ask Elroy.
I'm going to tell you one more time. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not matching anything. This is my estate.
Right, but keep this peacefully.
I am being peaceful. I have no weapons on me, and I told you
Raise your
that.
voice, though.
I'm allowed to raise my voice. That's not against the
not
law.
being peaceful, though.
That's what decibel is it that I need to go past? What decibel is it not peaceful anymore? Tell me that.
Elroy, put your
Do
hands
not
behind
touch me.
Put your hands
Hey,
behind
do
your back.
not touch me.
Put your hands behind
Do
your
not
back.
touch me. I'm telling you, do not touch me.
I'm going to tase
If you
you.
tase me, it's gonna get hot in this bitch. And I'm telling you, it's gonna get hot.
Elroy.
I
I'm
can't say
telling you, it's
that.
gonna get hot. I don't care. Go ahead.
I'm going to tase you.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen.
Put your hands behind your back.
Go ahead and do what you gotta do. Go ahead. Don't touch me though. You're not allowed to touch me.
Back up.
Maintain 1 arm distance from me for your own safety. and
Taser,
mine.
taser, taser.
Elroy, hey.
Tase him. Tase him.
Bunun ne kadar can yakıcı olduğu halde direnmesi şaşırtıcı bir durum. Polisler destek ekip çağırmadan bu işi çözemeyeceklerini anlayacaklar.
Get on the ground.
I gave you everything, and this is how you treat
On
me.
the ground, please.
I gave you everything.
On
and this is
the
how you treat
ground.
me. I gave you everything. Don't touch me.
Stay on the ground.
Do not touch me. If you touch me, you're gonna see something you don't want to see.
Elroy, come on.
Get on the
Telling
ground.
you,
Come on.
for your safety.
Get
and
on the
mine.
ground.
Get on the
I'm
ground.
telling you.
Let's make this peaceful.
If this is peace and love. This is peace and love.
Come on, Elroy.
This is peace
Get
and
on the-
love.
get on the ground.
Peace and love.
Just get on the ground.
Put your hands behind your
Hands
back. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't touch me.
Elroy, come on.
I'm not Elroy.
What is your name again?
I'm Benday.
Benday. Then put your hands behind your back.
On your back.
I'm not getting my hands behind my back. This is my land. And do not shoot me with that shit again.
Then just listen.
Go ahead and hit me with that and let it bend. And then you'll see.
Back up.
Hit me with that and
Back
bend it.
up.
It's right here. It's okay.
Back up.
Hit me right here.
Benday.
Hit me. I'm
Bro,
giving you
back
permission.
up.
I'm giving you permission to show you so you can see.
Well, where is it?
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Get on the ground.
I'm not getting on the ground. I'm not getting
They're
on
on
the
the
ground.
they're on the route.
Take your gun out and shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot you.
No, so you can see.
I don't want to shoot you.
So you can see.
I don't want to shoot you.
Do not touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
It's a civil
Ve destek
matter.
ekip gelir.
Now we're trying to figure
Bu ekip
something out.
ölümcül sonuç doğurmamak için sıkıştırılmış bez ateş eden bir tüfekle gelir ve Elroy'a son uyarıları yapar. Bunun ne kadar can yakıcı olduğunu ve tek isteklerinin teslim olması gerektiğini anlatırlar.
I've been tased.
Get on the ground.
I told you don't.
Get on the ground. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Get fucking tase me, motherfucker.
All right. Ease up. Ease up. No, tase.
No. I'm bent. Get off.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stay down. Stay down.
I'm bent. You're gonna get shot, motherfucker. I'm telling you. You're gonna get fucking shot. Not gonna work. Get on the ground. It's not gonna work. You're incompetent.
Get on the ground. 402 Central. Are you going less lethal? This is a beanbag. This is a beanbag. You don't want this. Trust me.
All right, you know what? Listen.
Get on the ground.
Get on the fucking
You don't want this.
Get on the ground.
You'll get water later. You get water later. You can get on the ground now. Palmer, move.
T627, Sarge.
Get on the ground. You're going to be beanbagged if you don't get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground.
Korkulan ana doğru gidiyoruz. Elroy, 6 polise ve şoklamalara rağmen direnerek oldukça zorluk çıkarıyor. Polisler ateş etmemek için elinden geleni yapıyor fakat Elroy'un aklındaki tek şey her ne olursa olsun teslim olmamak.
Get on the ground. You, Elroy.
I'm not Elroy.
Then get on the ground. We can sort it out.
No weapon.
But you're going to be handcuffed in the meantime.
Than lethal.
He got a gun in his hand.
Less
He's
than,
got a gun in his fucking hand.
that's less than lethal. Calm down.
He's got a gun in his fucking hand right there.
As soon as he stands up and I'm going to shoot a shot of his head, I'm going to give you
667.
Get on the ground.
I'm telling you right now.
Get on the ground.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to take it.
Less lethal, less lethal, less lethal. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Kamerasından izlediğimiz polisin elindeki tüfek sadece canını acıtacak şekilde tasarlanmış bir silah. Fakat sağındaki polisin elinde gerçek bir tabanca bulunuyor.
Less lethal,
I don't
less
know if I
lethal,
can
less
take
lethal.
it. I don't fucking know.
Get on the ground. Less lethal deployed times 2.
Come on, big man.
Get on the ground.
I know.
Get on the fucking ground, dude. The next thing. Get on the ground.
Clarke olay yerinde hayatını kaybetti.
Shots fired.
Görüntülerdeki 2 polis soruşturma tamamlanana kadar idari izne ayrıldı. Olayın bu şekilde trajik bir sonuca ulaşması herkesi derinden sarstı. Sonuç olarak bu olay bir dizi önemli soruyu gündeme getirdi. Birçok kişi polislerin daha farklı yöntemler kullanması gerektiğini savundu. Kimileri ise polislerin başka bir çözüm bulamayacağını söyledi. Olayda polislerden biri başından hafif şekilde yaralandı ve hastaneye kaldırıldı. Ancak günün sonunda taburcu oldu.
No,
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
I know. Deep breaths. I want to hear deep breaths. Like that. One more, come on. No, you're clearing up, come on.
I just shot him.
Come on. It's okay, look at me. It's okay.
Polis ve Clarke'ın ailesi için oldukça üzücü bir durum. Fakat bir o kadar da kaçınılmaz bir son oldu. Peki, sizce bu olay bu noktaya gelmeden önce nasıl çözülebilirdi? Yorumlarınızı bekliyorum. Hepsini dikkatle okuyacağım. Kanalımızın şerifi seçilmek için en doğru analizle attığınız yorumları bir sonraki videoda yayınlayacağım. Videomuzu beğenmeyi ve kanalımıza abone olup bildirimleri açmayı unutmayın. Suç dosyasından bildirildi. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın.